Hi everyone. Configuring Bastion Host for EC2 access. This lab will guide you through the process of setting up a Bash host in AWS Secure Access private EC2 instance within a VPC. For this lab, you need an AWS account with access to EC2 service and basic knowledge of AWS services and networking concepts. First step, create a VPC. Go to your AWS account, management account, use your credentials, type in the search bar VPC, go to VPC dashboard, click create VPC, provide a name for your VPC, choose an IPv4 CIDR block, choose VPC only, for example my VPC CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16, left all default and click create VPC. Now we should create subnets. Go to subnets, create two subnets, one public and one private subnet. Okay, click create subnet, choose new created my VPC. This will public subnet, availability zone, choose US East 1A, and CIDR block 10.0.1.0/24. We should repeat, create subnet, select my VPC, subnet name is private subnet, availability zone US East 1A, IPv4 subnet is CIDR block 10.0.2.0/24, and create subnet. Now we must create an internet gateway. Left hand menu, navigate here, internet gateway. We should create internet gateway, name tag my gateway, create internet gateway, attach to a VPC, select new created my VPC and attach internet gateway. Now we should configure root tables. Go to root tables, create root table for the public subnet, public road, select VPC, new created my VPC, and create subnet. Now go to root tables, choose public subnet, routes, edit routes, add route. For default gateway, select 0.0.0/0, choose internet gateway and choose new created internet gateway my gateway. Save changes. Now we should launch a Bastion host. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard, You can type in search bar EC2 and navigate to EC2 dashboard. Click launch instance. Name is Bastion Host. Select Amazon Linux, free tier. Instance type, type tool micro, free tier also. Key pair, I will proceed without key pair. You can create new key pair or use your existing key pair. As a configure instance section, select the public subnet, edit, select VPC, new created, select public subnet, and create new, here is created before SSH. Add security root for ICMP, all ICMP IPv4, and from anywhere, and create launch EC2 instance. Now launch private EC2 instance. Launch one more EC2 instance in the private subnet using the same different AMI. Name is private EC2. Choose Amazon, machine image, type to micro. Also, I will proceed with that key. This is not recommended, but this is for lab. You can choose or create new key pair. Network settings, choose new created VPC, subnet, private subnet. Add security group rule, custom TCP, all traffic only from custom source. We should enter here our new created Bastion host IP address. We should check here. This is the private IP address of Bastion host. From custom IP address. Only from this. And remove this. And remove SSH and add all traffic from custom paste and launch instance. Connect to the Bastion host, obtain the public IP address of the Bastion host from the EC2 dashboard. Open your terminal and use SSH connect to the Bastion host. Bastion host. It's my mistake. I didn't open it. Enable it public IP. That's why I will attach new elastic IP to this Bastion host for public IP. From here, or we can do it like from here. Associated subnets, public internet gateway. We should associate it. Sorry. We should associate it with table, maybe table, JSONs, public root, and save. Okay. Now let's refresh. Now we can connect more public IP address. Now EC2 instance. I'm sorry. Okay, I will attach new public IP. Elastic IPs, allocate, and select associate elastic IP, choose instance to Bastion and associate it with them. Now our EC2 instance has public IP. We should renew again. Yes, we have now public IP, and we can now connect to this EC2 instance via SSH. Okay. For testing, ping 828. Okay. We have connection to the internet, to public. Last steps is we should test connectivity. For this we will connect to our Bastion host via SSH. Bastion host EC2 instance server, and we'll connect from here to private EC2 instance via SSH. As you see, SSH-A, SSH private key, which I hosted in my EC2 instance. And here's the user and the user private IP address. We'll try to connect. Okay, we connected now. We inside of our private EC2 instance. Try to ping 10.0.2.14. Okay, all is done. All is done. Last step is clean up resource. After completing your task, remember to terminate your EC2 instance and delete the VPC to avoid ongoing charges. Conclusion. In this lab, you have successfully configured the Bastion host to securely access private EC2 instance within a VPC. This setup enhances the security of your cloud architecture by limiting direct access to sensitive resource.